Hey guys, Zaxra from Meshpai, and in this video I'll be giving you guys an overview of the Boat A350 Type-C charging cable. Talking about this product, I bought this during an Amazon sale at a pretty good price of just 200 rupees. At this price, what could possibly go wrong? So let's unbox and see what's inside. So the first thing we see in here is the warranty card, which mentions about the 2-year warranty period for this product along with some contact information to redeem your warranty. So the next thing we see here is the Boat A350 charging cable itself. If you're wondering about the first impressions, well, it's not bad at all. The look and feel on the hand is pretty promising and it does the job, especially at the price we paid for. And not to forget, it's a pretty lengthy cable. It comes at 1.5 meters, which roughly translates to 4.9 feet, which is pretty damn long. So, if you're using a fast charging supported device like I do, well, this part is for you then. Here, I'm using the default charger that came along with the Realme X, and as you can see, the charging indication on the screen shows VOOC charging, which means it is currently fast charging. And here, with the Boat A350, it doesn't show any indication of fast charging, but at just 200 rupees, it's a great deal. If you want to get one for yourself, you can find the link in the description. Also, if you found this video to be useful, hit the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Meshpai. Peace.